Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a very different video because I am finally bringing the Clean With Me series to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's going to be a series. I enjoy watching Cleaning With Me videos here on YouTube, and I always wanted to film one for my own channel just because it is the type of videos that I enjoy watching here on YouTube. I don't know, I find them relaxing. Is that weird? I don't know. But it also motivates me to do some cleaning myself. I kind of remember, oh, you know what? I should clean my own, my own place. So yeah, I just thought it would be a fun video to share here on my channel. So yes, I'm going to be cleaning my apartment because it's been a couple of days since I last cleaned. I just been working a lot and I just haven't had the time to really sweep around, and it's a mess. I mean, just to show you, give you a glimpse of how things are looking. But yes, I have a lot of things to get done, so let's get started. Alright, you guys, so mask is on. I look crazy right now, but let's just ignore it because I am about to start cleaning. Anyways, I'm gonna start with the kitchen because I cooked last night, but I did the dishes. I literally washed everything except the pots. I don't know if you guys do the same. I hated washing the pots when I was little. Hated it, and still as an adult I do the same. So yes, I need to do the dishes, start with the kitchen. I like to begin, when I'm cleaning, I like to section where I'm gonna start and when I'm gonna finish. So I usually start with the kitchen and the living room situation. I like to start here, and then I move on to my bedroom and the bathroom. I need to clean the closets. Do you know that I still haven't gotten out my winter clothes and put away my summer clothes? I haven't done that yet. I know it's almost November, but yeah, I still need to do that. I don't think I'm gonna do it today because I literally just want to take one day. This fly. I literally want to take just one day to just focus on cleaning the closet, just declutter some clothes that I know that I won't fit this winter. So maybe I would film it, and maybe it will motivate me to actually get it done if I film it. But yeah, we're not gonna do the closets today. Literally it's just getting the apartment tidy up. And yeah, let's start with this little situation right here. All right, you guys, I finally finished cleaning the apartment. It may have looked easy in the time lapse, but trust me, I wasted at least 2 hours cleaning, but I'm finally done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm sorry if it was just me showing you clips of cleaning, but I promise this is my first cleaning video, so hopefully the next one will be better. Let me know if this is the kind of videos that you guys want to watch. I love watching these, like I mentioned. And yeah, I just love how my apartment looks after it's clean and tidy up. It just gives me a great feeling of satisfaction. I don't know, adulthood, am I right? Anyways, thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see more of these, and see you next time. Mwah! It's Wednesday. Actually, I don't know if it's Wednesday. When am I gonna post this video? But
yo te amo, no voy a permitir que lo enfriemos. Si como un beso nos quemamos, prefiero el infierno cuando lo hacemos. Sé que no puedes contestarme, no tienes que explicar.